Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can customize which focus profiles can share that you have notifications silenced on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on focus. Next, tap on focus status. In here, make sure you turn on share focus status. Then we go down to the share from section and then tap on a focus profile that you want to enable or disable. So for example, if I do not want to share my personal focus, I can switch it off. Otherwise, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it on. So I said here, customize which focus profiles can share that you have notifications silenced. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.